So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate BigCommerce with eBay Marketplace. So the first thing you need to do once you log in is go over to the left side here and you can see analytics, apps, settings and so on. But you will need to go to channels rather to edit your channels. So click on that. From there you can see storefronts. You can create a channel through here, ads and social. You can see point of sale, marketplaces, so you can see stuff like Amazon, eBay. So you can go through marketplaces and you can link it through here. So let's add a new marketplace on there. Now through here you can see create more storefronts with paid plans. So if you have the appropriate subscription, you can even do more stuff with that. So if I click on this, I can see here our powerful built-in storefront platform. So you can even see more platforms. You can see here marketplaces like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. Now, if you click on this, it says further expand your brand's reach by selling on eBay. You can connect right through here. If you wish to learn more, if you feel the need to read up on this connection, you can do it through here. So they really make it easy for you to get all the necessary information you would need before connecting to a marketplace. So you can see here through install eBay app and stuff like that. So you can see there's quite a lot of information on here. If you need some help to connect to a certain marketplace, you can find it there. And once you're read through that, if you're sure you want eBay connected, just click on connect and you'll just need to fill out the necessary information. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.